still too technical, so today I just wanted to go over the different camera modes on the Moto G 2025. So you just want to go find your camera app. Once you're into your camera app, then you just want to slide over to more. And here are some other shooting modes that you get. So you get scan, so you can scan docs and documents. It's always a good feature to have. You also get a panorama shot, so you can do that long, nice panorama shot. You get photo booth to take some photos in different kind of filters and so on and so on. You get tilt shift. So this is what it says it will do. I won't use the tilt shift feature, but it's still good to have for people out there that's going to use that feature. You get slow motion, so if you want to slow down the video, you have access to that. You also get the time lapse, to where it makes it look like everything is happening from morning to night. Then you also get dual capture mode. That is my favorite mode, actually, because it lets you show off the front facing camera, and then you get to use the back facing camera at the exact same time. Of course, you do get your you get pro mode, so they have a pro photo mode. Then you get your video mode, you get your regular photo mode, you get your portrait mode, and then you get night vision. And like I said, if you come to the more section, then you get access to more modes, and you can come here and edit them and put them how you want, which ones you would use the most. So I hope you found this video helpful. I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.